luar biasa sekali karena saya juga jadi banyak belajar mengenai startup yang ada di Indonesia, dan dengan hadirnya PNP juga di Indonesia ini menjadi akselerator untuk startup baru dan menjadi inkubator juga, dan semoga tahun depan akan ada lagi acara seperti ini karena di sini juga empowering the youth juga untuk anak-anak muda yang ingin membuat startup, mendirikan startup. Dari acara seperti ini jadi semakin termotivasi juga ya. Jadi semoga acara-acara seperti ini di-maintain dan menjadi acara yang sustainable.
Menurut saya tuh acara yang diadakan oleh Plug and Play ini lumayan bagus ya, bukan lumayan tapi sangat bagus. Kenapa? Karena banyaknya startup yang lahir dari ekosistem yang dibuat sama Plug and Play. Saya yakin kedepannya Plug and Play bakal ya lebih besar, dan startup yang dibangun dan lahir dari Plug and Play bakal lebih maju.
My name is Jup. I'm the managing partner for Plug and Play Asia Pacific. This is our third batch in Indonesia, and we are continuing to expand the breadth and the scope of the program in terms of getting more startups from different verticals, solving different industry problems. This time round, we had a good batch of startups that were a mix of local Indonesian startups that we are investing in and that we are accelerating. And we also have startups from our other networks around the world that are coming in. So I think everything has gone well today. A lot of stakeholders were here. We had corporate partners. We have our public sector partners. One of our corporate partner, BTN, signed MOUs with 3 of our startups to initiate engagements with each of them. So we're very excited at that. For future batches, we are looking to further expand the scale of the program, right? So right now we are focused on 3 broad areas: fintech and insurtech in general, Internet of Things, mobility as the second one, and the third one is food, agriculture, sustainability. So we hope to build out these 3 broad themes or focus areas and continue to add startups and add corporate partners so we can do better engagements and have more of our startups solve more problems for our corporate partners, and also for us to make more investments.
Hello, my name is Arnold Leitner, and I'm the founder and CEO of USolar. I've been engaged with Plug and Play in well over a year now. I started out in Sunnyvale, I participated in a batch there, and during that time I was discovered by one of the Plug and Play members here in Jakarta, who suggested, because of our product, that I come here and be part of their accelerator. We explored that opportunity because, there is a lot of logistics involved, traveling here, coming here. But what was really amazing is that the team here of Plug and Play in Jakarta made it possible for me to effectively participate in this accelerator, especially the second time when I came for the deal flow. Over the course of 3 days, the team had put together large amounts of meetings, brought us from one group to the other, and we were able to make contact, present our company, and explore the opportunities here in Indonesia. So it's been a really great experience.
So yeah, we're from America. We're one of the international companies participating in the Plug and Play Expo out here. And we were originally introduced actually through the other Plug and Play in Sunnyvale. So one of the corporate partners for Indonesia, Astra, had been visiting the Sunnyvale location. We met with them there through the deal flow. They got us excited about the opportunity to work with them and to enter the palm oil market. And so we were, at that point in the life of our company, we're starting to focus on international expansion. So it made a lot of sense to come out, to meet with them, to meet with the Plug and Play team, and from there we got excited about participating in the expo. And so we met a number of different corporate partners here. So Astra, we've met Sonarmas, BNI, and there's a few others that are coming up. So Plug and Play has really been instrumental in setting up those meetings and getting us to talk to the right people who can really make a difference for our business. So that's been fantastic. And we're very excited at this point to really enter the Indonesian market, to start to work with the corporate partners to get set up. A little background on what we do is that we help we help growers detect problems in the field in agriculture. So we use imagery and analytics to help them understand where a problem is happening so that they can actually get out in the field and make a corrective action in season. And so we do this a lot with tree nuts and vineyards and all these commodity crops in the US, and now the chance is to apply that to palm oil. So we're very excited to do that, to start working out here, get some people on the ground, and really start building the business in Indonesia with the support of Plug and Play.
Hi, I'm Angela. I'm from Gradana. Basically what Gradana does, we are a fintech peer-to-peer lending company which focuses on property-related financing. We have 3 products, GraDP, GraSewa, and GraKarya, which covers 3 aspects. GraDP is if you wanted to purchase a property and you need down payment financing. GraSewa is a bridging loan if you wanted to rent a property, because in Indonesia, most landlords ask for 1 year in advance and it's a painful experience for the customers. And GraKarya is the short-term invoice financing for property-related vendors. So what do we get from joining PNP? Actually, our peer-to-peer lending, what makes it different from other type of peer-to-peer lending, we're all about collaboration with other stakeholders such as property developers as well as banks and insurance companies. So through PNP, we managed to seal a partnership and a collaboration pilot with BTN, which is one of the corporate partners of PNP.
We are Resync, Singapore-based intelligent energy management platform. We joined GK Plug and Play to have an exposure to Indonesian market and to scale up in the region. We currently have installations in India, Philippines, some parts of Indonesia, but we see Indonesia as a great market for us, as Indonesia has a lot of islands which are still dependent on the diesel generators. GK Plug and Play gives us a huge exposure to the local government people, to the local business providers, and gave us a huge exposure to the market. So what we believe that being part of the GK Plug and Play is not only leveraging on the business understanding, but it's also to be the part of the ecosystem of Indonesia, because GK Plug and Play unites not only the energy companies, but companies from all the domains which are in the ecosystem of Indonesia.